We come together as a community. We demand change, to demand justice, to demand actions. So now, it is the time to let our voices be heard. We will fight for what's right.
Ibagsak! 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 Ibagsak!
It's time for change, and we won't stop until justice is served. Yes. We demand transparency to our leaders. We are here today, standing as one.
Ibagsak! Ibagsak! Ibagsak!
Hindi tayo pwedeng umupo lamang habang naghihirap ang ating mga kababayan dahil sa korupsyon na nakaupo. Oras na para makinig sila.
Tumingin kayo sa paligid. Tingnan nyo ang kahirapan ng mga balot. Ang pag-asa ng mga mata sa kababayan. Anong ginagawa nyo? Nakaupo sa gobyerno? Pumikit kayo. Nagbingi-bingihan sa mga daing naming tulong.
Ngunit ngayon, tumanggi kaming manahimik pa. Tumanggi kaming hayaan kayo na huwag pansinin kami habang naghihirap kami ang mamamayan. Oras na para gawin natin ang mga bagay sa sarili nating mga kamay.
Mamayang hapon, alas 3, may bumbang sasabog sa City Hall. At ikaw ang maglalagay.
Sir, may narinig ako gusto magpasabog ng bomba.
Ano po ang inyong pangalan, sir?
Dalit Zamora po, sir.
Maaari niyo po bang i-detalye ang inyong mga nalaman?
Opo, sir, habang ako'y naghanda para mangisda, meron akong narinig grupo ng kalalakihan na paplano magpasabog ng bomba mamaya sa City Hall mamaya alas 3 ng hapon.
Saan niyo po sila nakita, sir?
Dito po sa likod ng metro, sir.
Huwag niyo po itabi ang inyong telepono. Ikaw ay tatawagan namin para sa mga karagdagang impormasyon na inyong nalalaman. Maraming salamat po.
Opo, sir. May nakuha po akong video sa kanila.
Ibagsak! 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 Ibagsak!
Alright, listen up. Our priority is to evacuate the civilian and secure the area.
Sir, yes, sir! Ibagsak! Ibagsak! Ibagsak!
Our voices will not be silenced.
Our numbers grow, and so does our strength. Corruption has to end right now. Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Yes! Ibagsak! 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 There's a bomb threat in this area!
This is the PNP bomb squad preparing to scan the premises, proceeding with caution. We've located the suspicious package near the entrance. It could be the device.
success. The bomb is now disarmed.
Good job everyone. Thanks for your quick and decisive action. Countless lives has been saved today.
Sir, thank you, sir.
To remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the rights to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one will be provided for you.
Do you understand the rights that he has said to you?
With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to us? Please!
Foxtrot 1, this is Foxtrot 2.
This is Foxtrot 1. Go ahead.
We have a bomb threat situation. The suspect is on the run towards your location. We need you to form a checkpoint.
And you said the suspect is wearing black pants, black t-shirt, and white helmet, and driving black Sniper 155 motorcycle. Okay, copy.
Confirm, this is the suspect. Get off your vehicle. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford, one will provide it for you. Do you understand, sir? Do you wish to speak to me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm innocent, sir. I didn't do anything.
Let's talk on the station. Let's go.
Magandang araw.
Ikaw,
Dan.
saan kayo nakatira?
Bigsay.
Kailan?
Oo.
Alam niyo ba ang kaso niyo?
Di ba?
Ang kaso niyo ay bomb threat. Base sa investigasyon natin mga kapulisan, naglagay daw kayo ng bomba sa munisipyo. Ito ba yun?
Hindi.
May witness kami magpapatuloy. Tawagin mo witness.
Sir, narito na po ang witness.
Okay.
Kayo lang, tingnan kayo.
Ano nakita mo?
Ito po, may video po ako sa kanila.
Itong video na ito napapatunay na meron kayong ginawang krimen. Dali sa korte yan!
Appearances?
Defense Attorney Daniela Toito.
Mr. Rocco, you are charged with making a bomb threat in a public building. How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we have evidence that Mr. Occo led the plan about the bomb threat. There's video recorded by witness Mr. Zamora before the day of the incident. You will prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he is responsible for this act.
Objection, Your Honor. The prosecutor's evidence is circumstantial at best. Will show that there is a reasonable doubt in this case.
Okay, let's proceed to the trial.
Kain na kayong apat. Sir.
Maghimaya ka, Maria.